Hello, in this video I would like to speak about the location of Turkey. So for speaking about the location of Turkey, we also need to have the map of the surrounding areas and bordering countries or water bodies around it. And to start with, we'll see the basics of Turkey. This is officially called Republic of Turkey and the capital city is Ankara. It was formed in the year 1923. So this was when Ottoman Empire fell down. So from that time Turkey came into existence, and from here on there is a huge listing of seas, strait, and also the bordering countries of Turkey and everything, of which we'll be now seeing now. And to have a mind map, a brief rough mind map picturing of Turkey. Turkey is a transcontinental country. That means Turkey has its place in two continents, that is Europe and Asia. So Turkey has its location in two continents, and that part which is located in Asia is called Asia Menor. It is also called Anatolia or Asia Menor, and that part which is on the European side, European continent side, is called Thrace. So this is called Thrace, and on Asian side this is called Anatolia or Asia Menor. So as this has got its place in two continents, this is called a transcontinental country. So this is Turkey. Now we'll see the water bodies that are surrounding it. Turkey is basically a peninsula. The meaning of peninsula is this has got three sides bounded with water and one side bounded with land. So that is called basically a peninsula. So Turkey is also one such part called peninsula. And the three-sided, we'll see all the sides where the water bodies are there and what water bodies are surrounding it. So here there is a gap in Turkey between the European part of Turkey and Asian part of Turkey. So this is a strait. So strait is something that is connecting two large water bodies, and strait itself is a passage of water, and that is connecting two large water bodies. So this passage of water is connecting Black Sea on the north. So this is Black Sea. So Black Sea on the north, and here there is one more sea, that is Sea of Marmara. So Sea of Marmara and Black Sea are connected by a strait called Bosphorus Strait. So the name of this strait is Bosphorus Strait. This is connecting Sea of Marmara and Black Sea. So by this we came to know Turkey has Black Sea on its north and Sea of Marmara on its northwest. So we got two water bodies here, and now there is another water body, that is Aegean Sea. So this is Aegean Sea. Aegean Sea is located on the west side of Turkey. So this is one more water body and one more water body on its southwestern side, the famous water body, that is Mediterranean Sea. So on the west we have Aegean Sea, and on the southwestern side we have Mediterranean Sea, and on the north we have Black Sea, and on this northwestern side we have Sea of Marmara. So these are the four seas that I have also mentioned here: Sea of Marmara, Black Sea, Aegean Sea and Mediterranean Sea, and the strait that is connecting Black Sea and Sea of Marmara is Bosphorus Strait. So Bosphorus Strait is also connecting the two continents of Europe and Asia. So these are the water bodies. Now let us see the landforms. So what landforms or what countries are surrounding Turkey? So to start from clockwise direction, on the European side we have Greece. So we have Greece here on the northwestern side of Turkey, and just above Greece we have a country, that is Bulgaria. So these two countries are on the northwestern side of Turkey. And later we have come to the east, and on the east side we have four countries sharing the eastern side of Turkey. The first one is Georgia, and the second one is Armenia, and parallel to Armenia only we have another country that also has got small border, the small border with Turkey. So that is Azerbaijan, and the fourth country is Iran. So these four countries are bordering the eastern side of Turkey: Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan and Iran. So on the southern side we have two countries. After Iran we have Iraq here. So we have Iraq, and besides Iraq, one more country that is on the southern side is Syria. So Syria and Iraq are on the southern side of Turkey. So these are all the blue things are the water bodies, and the brown things are the landforms or countries around Turkey. So this is the overall mind map of Turkey. To have a brief revision of what we have seen right now, Turkey, it has got two parts. It has got two parts, one in Asia called Asia Minor, and the other in the European continent that is called Thrace. And on the north side it has got Black Sea, and on the northwestern side it has Sea of Marmara. And Sea of Marmara and Black Sea are connected by a narrow passage or a strait called Bosphorus Strait. And the other water bodies are one on the western side, that is Aegean Sea, and one on the southwestern side, that is Mediterranean Sea. So Mediterranean Sea also extends very broad because it's a big sea, and this is southwestern to Turkey. And to see about the countries that are surrounding Turkey, we have we have Greece and Bulgaria. On the northwestern side, we have Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan and Iran. Four countries on the eastern side of Turkey, and on the southern side we have Syria and Iraq. So these are the southern side countries. So basically all of these are listed here. You can relate them. So this listing is very important. So this is the overall geographical location of Turkey. Hope you understood it, and thank you.